Morning, Millennial Sweet family. We are officially on day 2 of our Women in Media tour in Cap-Haitien, but we are in Milo this morning. We're at Palace Sans-Souci. The team woke up early and we're ready to explore all the beautiful history of Haiti, Cap-Haitien, Milo behind us today. So enjoy!
Wow. Coming to Haiti honestly feels incredible. Being a Haitian American, you don't get to be deeply rooted in your culture the way that we are right now. So I really appreciate Wanda and all of the team at Millennial Sweet, and they're celebrating their 7th-year anniversary, and it's just really incredible to come here and really see the culture and the natives, and it's been really incredible to really be with the people, and the atmosphere, the energy, just the excitement. It feels good. It feels like I'm at Lakay. It's just incredible. It's just an incredible feeling, honestly.
Yes, girl. We home, girl.
We home.
Lakay. Yep.
We got Steph and Asia.
You know what's crazy is I really do like, I know people have talked about it. I don't know if it was you, but have talked about actually coming somewhere like to Haiti and feeling at home here. This is if I were at my aunt's house around our table.
Eating dinner,
talking, the music playing, laughing. I was like, I'm home. We
Yeah.
Haitian too.
Thank you. Thank you.